gang? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your girl KP, aka Kanisha Alexia, and I am back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm about to be doing is using this. It's the LA Girl brow pencil. I don't use this side. I just use the little spoolie right here. So I'm literally just taking the spoolie and brushing my eyebrows upward in the front area and then brushing them in the direction I want to go towards the back. Boom. Next, taking my brow pencil. So now that I have shaped the way that I want my eyebrows to go with the spoolie, I'm now about to outline my eyebrows with this pencil. And I'm also going to, of course, make my eyebrows a little tad bit thicker than what they normally are because I do have thin eyebrows. And you want to make sure that even when you're drawing like your eyebrows a little thicker than what they normally are, you want to make sure that you don't draw them or outline them too thick, because that's what you don't want, because your eyebrows will be looking a mess. But so after you outline the shape of the eyebrow that you're going for, you want to then fill in your eyebrow with the pencil, and you don't want to go so heavy or so dark towards the front, or at least I don't like to, because I like it to have like a more natural look towards the front or beginning of my eyebrow, if y'all get what I'm saying. So this is what they're looking like before the concealer. This is my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So once again, I am outlining. I'm about to be taking my concealer and I'm going to be outlining the bottom and top part of my eyebrows to give it that crisp look. This is also where you can correct if your eyebrow pencil, if you had like some squiggles or it's a little crooked, this is what you correct it with your concealer. Now all I am doing is taking my beauty blender and blending the concealer in around my eyebrows. Boom. There y'all have it. That is my everyday brow tutorial. Boom. And boom, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope this was really helpful for y'all. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up down below. Make sure to drop some comments if you have any suggestions or any tips, or if you want to let me know how you do your eyebrows, just go ahead and drop that in the comment section below. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next time.